You know, it's a lot of what they taught me in the high performance training. There's information that we're given. A lot of it we already do, but now we know why we do. And now we know why it works. We know the mechanics behind it.
It's time for another safety critical opportunity. Role models and accepting risk.
What message us as supervisors are we sending to our foremen? So many times we've been on projects where the superintendent says one thing, but he does something else.
If you walk out there as a leader and cross that barricade or not confront something, then you're reinforcing it. You're saying that it's okay.
When role models in a work group accept unnecessary risk, they influence others and how they accept or reject risk.
So whether you directly or indirectly intended for it, your body language and how you act on this project sets the bar.
Maybe it's some way, sometimes when we're speaking to people, they're thinking we're saying something else, right?
You know, everything we say or do when we walk out on that construction job builds that culture. Are we willing to walk past something? Are we willing not to confront something?
You must learn how to identify the risk takers in your work group, including yourself. Recognize shortcuts and hold folks accountable. Be your brother's keeper.
Show everybody the print. I used to, when I first got into business, that guy would stand there with the foreman so you couldn't see the prints too. I'm just the opposite. I want everyone to look, because sometimes it's that kid right out of school that's seen that new tool or seen this new mark on the prints or has that good idea. It's not always the old dog, sometimes it's that young kid.
Step up and take action. Show us what a culture of caring looks like to you.
The biggest things for me is communication with our crew and with the crafts around us and with the operators we're using, so everybody knows what everyone else is doing.
You know, the most important thing is to work as a team and work together and communicate together. If you ever feel that you're not doing the right thing, just ask questions.
You know, fresh eyes and questioning is always a good thing, because that's how we learn.
If you can make them feel part of the team.
And that's for the old, the young, for everybody.
And once you lower that bar, it's very difficult to get the bar up.
As a guy my age, you think you know a lot, but you get on a project this size and you realize, man, I can continue to learn my whole career.
This concludes this lesson on role models and accepting risk.